Homophones. The word homophone is made from two combining Greek words, homo meaning the same and phones meaning sound. Therefore, homophones are words that have exactly the same sound but different meaning and in most cases different spelling also. Using muscle and muscle. There are three types of muscle within the human body. Or there is the freshwater mussel. It is quite popular among many European dishes. Using which and which. Which, as in which way do I go from here, and the which that applies to the nasty potion-brewing wart-faced woman who flies on a broomstick. Using stationary or stationary. To remain stationary as in to stay in one spot, or the stationary that applies to paper, pens and notebooks. A good way to remember the spelling of the word stationary that applies to paper, pens and notebooks is to think of the ER in paper. Using piece and piece. A dove symbolises peace. I'll have an extra large piece of cake, thank you. These are just a few sets of homophones. There are many. Can you think of any others? There is leak as in the vegetable, or a leak in the tap. You can have a pair of sneakers, or munch on a pear. There, and there are one set of homophones most often used incorrectly in a sentence. The first there is a possessive form of they, as in it's their grandmother. There is essentially they and are joined together, such as they're a lovely bunch of people, and there as in a place. For example, I went there last week. Now it's your turn to choose the correct word to complete the following sentences. There will be one of two choices to fill in the blank spots. Using not, no, and no, select the correct word that fits in the blank spots. Write it down if it helps. Does the sentence make sense? The correct answer is, I did not know what a homophone was until today. Using ate and ate, morning and morning. Once again, select the correct word to fill in the blank space. Does the sentence make sense? The correct answer is, breakfast is scheduled for 8 o'clock each morning. Fantastic! Now you're an expert on homophones. Thanks for watching my grammar lesson on homophones.